With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let's start the question. Our question says that which of the following options correctly represents the properties of queen, drone and worker in a beehive. So here if you are talking about our honeybee, so in honeybee there will be the three types of organisms present, three types of varieties will be present. First will be the queen here, then second the here we can say our second will be the worker here, and then our third type will be the drone here. These are the three types of the honeybee that is present in the beehive. If you are talking about our queen here, so queen will be represent as the diploid, as they are formed after the fertilization. Worker will also diploid in nature, and both will be female here. Our worker as well as queen, both are female and they are produced after the fertilization. That means they are diploid in nature, and the major function of the queen will be the production of the here the it will help in the production of the offspring. While if you are talking about our workers, so the major function of the worker will be the functioning, that is making of the beehives etc, so they are sterile in nature. While if you are talking about our drone here, so drone will be haploid in nature, as they are the result of the parthenogenesis, they are produced by the parthenogenesis, so they are haploid in nature. And here the major function of the drone here, they will also help in the reproduction, they are also fertile male here. If we are talking about our drone, so drone will be here they will be the example of the male, they are the fertile male, they will fertilize with the queen and produce the offspring. So here if you are talking about our correct answer of this question, that it will be the first option, that is queen is diploid fertile female, drone is haploid fertile male, and worker is diploid sterile female. I hope this answered your question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, ITG and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.